So I just recorded all of this and then I accidentally said I had to retake it, so I'm re-recording it, but that's okay. I'm gonna go through my bag and I'm gonna clean it out because I haven't cleaned it out in like 6 months, and then with the garbage, I'm gonna make some art with it. I think like 80% of what's in my bag is garbage. There's a bunch of makeup. I threw this makeup in here like a week ago because I went out and I needed to do my makeup at somebody else's house, and then I never took it back out. That's a notebook. Maddie Ziegler palette. That's kind of embarrassing. It's really old, and all my makeup is really old and probably expired, but don't tell the feds. Um, this is a piece of paper. This is doodles. I doodled on a piece of paper and then like wrote goals on the back. More makeup, sponge thingy. Trash, garbage. Oh, deodorant. That's good. Um, more trash. There's like so much trash. A postcard. I think I got for that from my old job. Because I thought it looked cool, and I think this is like a story idea that I had scrapped. I didn't like it anymore, and this is my coffee order that I wrote a little note for my boyfriend so he could go get me coffee. And this is a receipt from my old job from literally like 5 months ago. Um, I think this is book recommendations or like poet recommendations or something. I don't know, I never looked into it, sorry. This is art references for learning anatomy. I was doing that over the summer. And this is my old planner that I haven't touched in like literally 5 months again. Um, I carry this bag. I guess I just don't look in it, but I've decided that I'm going to use that planner. Oh, yes, this book. My boyfriend gave me this book, and I still have not read it. I'm sorry, Ryan. I don't know what that is. I can't see it. Trash. Okay. Oh my god, all these sticky notes. There's so many sticky notes in this bag. I don't know what this is. Like, I don't know where all this came from because I have a bunch at my desk already. Pencil, more sticky notes. It's okay, I'll make use of them. Tights that I haven't worn in forever. Like, this is like a year old or something. Why have I not cleaned my bag out in so long? More sticky notes! What am I doing with these sticky notes? Bookmark. List of books I read. I was trying to keep track of the books I read last year, so I was making a list. Empty paper and tape. Love the tape. We're going to use that. We're going to peel that off and we're going to use that. I don't know where the tape came from though, and that's trash. And is that it for the main pouches? I'm not sure. I love that pin. It's the dog pin. Hold on. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. It says Caring Canine. I love it. A lady gave it to me, and his name is Zoloft. Anyway, back to the video. Um, Camera charger. Rocks. My boyfriend got me these lovely rocks, and they're very special, and I love them. Jewelry. I should have cleaned this out so long ago. Those have a spot. I'll put them in it later. Pens, Sharpies, highlighters, etc. That I don't know. It's too fast. I can't see anything. Bottle cap. I love bottle caps. Chain. I'm gonna wear this. I haven't worn it in forever, but I'll put it back into my wardrobe. Receipt. Walmart receipt. I don't know what I got. I think it was soap, if I remember correctly from looking at it. Garbage. More trash. Oh, this was like a note. I got this from work. It's like a note from like a guy who wanted to talk to my boss. I don't know. That's trash. Oh my god, more sticky notes. An empty cap. And that's garbage. And I think that's it. So now I'm putting stuff back in my bag. This is really funny because I think this is gonna work, and then it doesn't. So I'm trying to put these pens in here. And as you can see, I'm kind of struggling because it looks atrocious. So I just end up putting them in the front pouch. The deodorant goes back in there because everybody makes mistakes. Camera charger and bookmark. I don't remember. Oh, yeah, this book. Maybe I'll get around to reading it. Yeah, my planner and my little notebook. This is all garbage. Oh, no. This. Oh, you didn't see me take it out in the video, but that was in my bag from a long time ago. That's the drawing references I put back in there, and the poop bags, just in case. And yeah, my bag is clean. And here's all the stuff that I'm gonna use to make art with. The sticker, that little cat, I actually don't end up using it. I'll use it somewhere else, but it wasn't in my bag anyway. Came off my car, so whatever. Yeah, I think in this I'm just kind of like sorting, trying to figure out like what I'm gonna do with stuff. I know I want to use all those sticky notes because the sticky side is really gross, so I can't like use them as actual sticky notes. Here's my notebook. Eventually I would like to do like a full tour of my little journal. Yeah, so I'm just kind of like trying to spot out what I'd like to do. I figured out that I'm gonna glue these in here in like a knot pattern. Like I'm just gonna put them in here and hope that it ends up looking good. And I do actually like the result. So I'm just kind of gluing them in. It kind of sucks because, like I said, like the backs are all gross and grimy and dirty and like yucky. And so it's like messing with my glue stick. My glue stick is green apple scented, by the way. I did a major cutaway here because this footage was really boring. I'm gonna start doing that as the video goes on because, like, you get it. You get what I'm doing, like what's happening. And now it's sticky noted, and they're all dirty, and I didn't have to throw them away. Yeah, and then on this side, I'm just kind of planning out, like, the miscellaneous stuff, cutting this up because I know I want it to be smaller. Oh, this is one of the art references too. I can't remember what it is. I'll edit later. I'll look at it and edit it later. I'm sure somebody's gonna know. I don't know. That's kind of whatever. Anyway, the Walmart receipt. Yeah, I highlighted the date that I got the receipt from. And then that receipt, I'm trying to think of a way to put it together. No. Yeah, it's just so interesting watching this back because I'm like rooting for me. I'm like, put it in the right spot. But I do end up putting it in the right spot because I did it. And then this I tear up because it's too big and it's like grimy kind of, and you know, I like the look of a tear. So that's what I did with the anime poster. I actually didn't even end up going to Anime Conclave. I had plans to go with like 5 people, and it completely fell through. And I think I ended up hanging out with one person, and like we just didn't go. Whatever. So yeah, the colorful bookmarks. Those are both bookmarks on the edge there. I put them there because they're colorful. There's that tape. I knew that tape was gonna come in handy. Yeah. I feel like usually when I watch craft videos, I don't know if I prefer, oh, I think that cat's gonna go there, but it's not. I don't know if I prefer when people talk or when they shut the fuck up and like play music. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna glue this in here with my apple scented glue stick. This is the little art reference piece that I'm putting in here right now. I guess I could have like put it all together like I did the other thing, but I used the tape so it kind of kept its form, and I'm like seeing what it's gonna be using glue. I really like that postcard. I don't know what it is. I'll have to look again because I just kind of like zoned out and started doing stuff. But yeah, lots of glue, and then I think I even use I use my Gorilla Glue too, just like a little bit, because I want to make sure she's secure. Yeah, you can put it on the paper now. This is so weird. Like, watch it. I have it sped up, and I feel like I'm like, go, go, go. But we don't rush art. I actually sat here in complete silence and did this. Like, I was going to, like, put on music, but I was recording, and I was going to put on a record, but I was like, you know what? Oh, a sneak peek at another art page. That's not my favorite in the book, but whatever. But I actually ended up really enjoying just, like, kind of sitting in silence. Oh, the cat sticker gave me an idea for what I wanted to do with the, like, notebook page that I had doodled on. I'm going to cut them up. I'm going to cut it up and make them into, like, little sticker type things. And I'm going to glue them around, like a collage, kind of. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm placing them and just kind of figuring out what it's going to look like. Oh, and I'm gluing those. Oh no! I don't know why. Okay, the reason why I said oh no is because I forgot to take the audio off of the original clip, but then I realized when I went back in to take it off, it was gonna be gone anyway. Anyway, I'm writing Bug World on this, because I had it written on the other, like, notebook thing, and I liked it, but I didn't want to cut out just that tiny little thing, so I just rewrote it. And then I'm gonna draw little, like, flower vine things. I like drawing these. I draw these a lot. I think they're cute and fun. Um, yeah. I got a better Sharpie in the process here somewhere. Placement. I don't know. Gluing. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm realizing you can't see what these doodles are. They're not good. Okay, I like just started drawing, so they're not very good. I'm drawing little bugs. Little bugs. I went to the insectarium recently and it was freaking epic. I love bugs. Glue, glue with my Apple glue stick. Oh yeah, my freaking phone died because I'm silly and I forgot to plug it in. But I did all this. I like outlined it and colored it and stuff. Um, and I think it looks pretty good, pretty colorful, pretty fun. I'm just drawing like little stuff on there now. I'm almost done. Yeah, butterfly. I've been drawing butterflies a lot really these days. You can kind of see now, like, the anatomy is kind of whack and, whatever. I'm just a baby, okay? I'm new to this world. I was literally just born, like, 3 days ago, so. Stars and stuff. I love drawing stars. They're so fun. Because they can look wonky and, like, everybody knows what they are. Like, that's a star, you know? A lot of stars, I guess. I'm just trying to fill space. I know that's what I'm doing. I love little doodles in space. Oh, yeah, the grass. I was kind of thinking, like, what else? I didn't like that empty space at the bottom. And, it's bug world, so they're in the grass, I guess. I don't know. That was my logic. I think it ends up looking pretty good for, 40 minutes, and it's all made of garbage from my bag, so I think it looks pretty nice. Yeah, this clip is literally just me drawing grass, and it's like kind of difficult because the little sticky notes are like interrupting the flow of the marker, and you get the best grass when you have an uninterrupted flow. So I was kind of, dealing with that, but I think it's done. I think I'm tip-tapping because, yeah, I'm tip-tapping because it's done. Oh, and the date, of course. Always date your work. And here it is, the final. So this is the side, Walmart receipt. Yeah, lots of stuff. I'm not a great speaker, but I like that side. And then this is Bug World. See how my doodles are just very beginner, but that's okay. I mean, I'm learning. This was just kind of, I doodled these, without thinking about it. Also, I decided to add some more color to the grass at the bottom, a different type of green. This is the final result. Lots of fun. Had lots of fun. Love it. Okay, bye.